I really like this job, and I do want this as a career. What I like about this job is like I'm helping out the earth, and it's really therapeutic for me. This is definitely a career path for me, and they really care about us as well. So this is a really good program for people coming in and wanting to better themselves or learn a new trade.
We're just taking care of some invasive weeds that just crop up naturally. Lots of things like tansy, ragwort, or common tansy, Himalayan blackberry.
This is the Green Start team. They're hired by Dirt Corps, and they're here to perform restoration stewardship within the Green Duwamish Basin. Specifically along the Green, we have our salmon species, which we're trying to recover and enhance their populations. Key to that is riverbank shade and kind of buffer habitat. The work that they're doing is addressing those maintenance gaps. It's getting us closer to fulfilling our 30-year forest plan within the Department of Natural Resources and Parks and the Clean Water Healthy Habitat Strategic Plan. The Green Start program is unique in a couple ways. One, it works with the Jobs and Housing Program in King County to recruit folks who are experiencing homelessness and get them into a job training situation and provide living wage pay for the work that they do.
It's a great experience because these types of programming is not always accessible to everybody, and even if it is, it's not often paid.
This program provides opportunity to earn a living, doing good, productive, needed work, and provides the opportunity to right away get into solid housing. And that's what this program offers, an opportunity for a good paying job, an opportunity to get a roof over your head, and an opportunity to work with professionals to chart a path forward in your life toward that self-sufficiency, that dignity.
Where I was living before, a tree dropped and took out the power connected to the house, and the landlord didn't want to fix it, so it was considered unlivable, so then he kicked us out. We're stuck living in a hotel, and I'm living with my brother. It's really cool that people are getting this opportunity to not only get a job, but to help with housing, and not even just housing, it's other stuff too. Like I'm getting my driver's license through the program right now. I'm pretty excited about that.
It's an extraordinary step in the right direction to look at our folks that are in need and be able to provide them with something that's substantial, that's going to lift them in a way and support them in a way that's really going to set them up for success in the future.
That is kind of why we thought this was so special, to give people this long-term training program that will, set them up financially as well as, get ready for the next leg of their career.
We didn't go to school for this. I didn't go to school for this. So for them to be teaching me, I really appreciate that, because like I said, it's a whole new set of skills I can put on my resume and possibly get a job higher up.
Again and again, I'm just surprised at the resilience of this crew and how strong they are, and just working alongside this crew has been really rewarding for me, to just get to know them and help them get to where they're trying to go.
These guys, I feel like they're my friends, my Dirt Corps team.